So when I began using the flipped mastery model, Google Classroom, as well as Google Classroom apps like Edulastic, I took a survey using SurveyMonkey, and there was a 15% positive shift between the two time periods, and students felt like their academic performance had increased when they had used the flipped classroom model. So, it wasn't used in a purist form. I did give students the opportunity to view the videos in class. However, 55.9% of the students surveyed said that they felt their academic performance had increased. Out of 130 students, there were only 10 incomplete assignments. Students felt that being organized played a huge factor in their ability to complete assignments on time. And this is all included within the book chapter that's referenced in the poster. When I surveyed my students at Millennium Community School, I asked, how did Edulastic help better prepare you for the Ohio Spring ELA air test? And one student responded, it helped us learn how to use testing tools on the Chromebooks. We were forced to stop using paper and learn how to type and learn computer functions, especially specific to the air. Another student said, our teacher used it every day, so consistency is a thing, to collect data. And every day we had writing assignments on Edulastic with rubrics that really helped us understand the parts of an essay and the air. So they're referring to the Ohio high stakes test. When creating assessments, how did your teacher personalize or differentiate your learning experiences through the use of Edulastic? Student one said she helped us by doing some assessments with us and then letting us try them on our own. We would talk about what we knew and what we needed to learn before the state tests. The next student said, my teacher created her own tests every day, admittedly so. So she would use our data from the day before to make sure we weren't behind or ahead. This is why Edulastic is my go-to tool, because I can use it for a pre-test to check the waters, see where kids are at the beginning of a period, see where they are on one standard or where they're at on a set of benchmarked standards. And then I know how fast to go, how slow to go, how to group the students, who needs to retake an assessment, who needs multiple attempts or perhaps a modified format of the test. So Edulastic is amazing because you can individualize it to meet the needs of all students and close achievement gaps and privilege-based opportunity gaps as well. The next survey question reads, have your writing skills improved as a result of using flipped methods and resources like Edulastic and Google Classroom? Student one said, we practice our multi-paragraph responses on Edulastic, and she teaches us the different things you need to do in a multi-paragraph. We practice for the Ohio test every day with Edulastic and Google. The next student said, I feel that my writing skills have improved, and I like to add more to my writing prompts now. Before, I lacked organization and depth in my writing for online or other state tests. If you have any questions about any of the materials in the presentation or the demonstration videos, please DM me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @SamanthaSchaffin2, or you can email me at samanthajschaffner@gmail.com.